guys, welcome back to Fitness and Magic. Today we're going to do another Nerf review on the Nerf Elite Hyperfire. Let's jump straight into this review, but first, press start.
Ooh, feisty. He's so feisty.
Okay guys, so jump straight into this review. We have the Hyperfire right here, and it's all in all its beautiful glory. So its weight, it's kind of heavy towards the back end in the stock area. You have 4 C or D batteries. So if you're looking to pick up this Nerf gun, make sure you get 4 C or D batteries.
Is it C or D?
C.
C?
C.
Si, senor.
DC. CD.
Si, senor.
Okay, so tactical rail on top right here. Little open up hatch here to get all the jams out with a conveyor belt right there to shoot all the darts out. We have the pistol grip right here with the rev button, the mag ejection button, and then the trigger, of course. It comes with a 25 round mag here. And that's it for the review. Let's get into the combos.
I have a beard show.
That's a beard? That's a massive beard.
Big beard. Now I'm getting it off.
I like this homemade lighting.
Okay guys, so for the first combo, we have the heavy combo. So
Yes! Beautiful ninjada.
So we have the grip up here to stabilize from the hip and just fire away from the hip. Just
Yep, we're farting. We're
makes
farting.
that noise because I said so. You know,
Drum.
25 round drum, the bottom, and that is the heavy combo. Next up, we have my personal combo. This is what I personally run in a Nerf war, doing Nerf stuff. So at the top, we have the Nerf modular scope, right up in there. Yeah. Then we have the 18 stick mag with the clear side on it. And that is my personal combo. You're probably wondering why are these combos so short. There's only one rail. It's only this and this. That's it. But they could have easily added another rail down here or a rail right here. So let's get into the next combo.
Oh god, that smells. That's bad. That's bad. Let me shake it. Shake it out.
Okay, so next up we have the defense combo. This is for people who are just defending their base or whatever, don't have a lot of mag storage. And the shield at the top, 10 round mag, cracking mag, is what I call it, because it sucks. If y'all didn't see when y'all were watching the previous combo, a dart popped out. Like, it literally just...
Of the crappy mag.
Of the cracking mag, yes. Wait, let me show y'all a demonstration of what happened. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, all that good stuff.
Red Shirt Friday. Got Brad Friday. Red shirt. There you go. We got some cool videos coming up. We have a nice rigging system that we're going to be doing some Minecraft videos with him.
Just gaming videos in general, like...
Or, yeah, any kind of game that he's going to do. So that's coming up on this channel. It's going to, you know, expand our videos and do more on this channel. We're still going to do all kinds of different stuff like this.
Yeah.
Still trying to get another microwave and do some more of that. We got a lot of stuff that's exciting coming up soon. Do you smell anything?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Okay, alright, good.
And we'll see you in the next video!
See y'all next time.
What, Aaron? It's gonna rain! Back to you!
Hey guys, what y'all doing?
Hey, well, we're just checking out Louisiana.